In the heart of an atom, where particles dance to a rhythm unseen, a fundamental truth was unveiled. This is the story of Werner Heisenberg, a mind that peered into the quantum realm and forever changed our perception of reality. His uncertainty principle revealed a universe not of solid certainties, but of profound, inherent unpredictability. Join us as we explore the brilliant, complex, and controversial life of a man who stood at the crossroads of science and history, leaving behind a legacy that continues to challenge the very foundations of our world. From his earliest days, Heisenberg displayed an intellect that set him apart. Born in Würzburg, Germany, in Ijolini, he was a prodigy with a voracious appetite for knowledge, excelling in mathematics, music, and classical languages. But it was the unseen world of physics that truly captured his imagination. As a young student under the tutelage of giants like Arnold Sommerfeld and Niels Bohr, he was drawn to the perplexing questions arising at the subatomic level. He wasn't content with the established classical laws. He sensed that a new language was needed to describe the bizarre behavior of electrons and photons, a language he himself would help to write. The 1920s were a golden age for physics, and Heisenberg was at its epicenter. In 1925, he formulated a groundbreaking theory known as matrix mechanics, the first mathematically coherent version of quantum mechanics. This was a radical departure from traditional physics, replacing predictable orbits with abstract mathematical arrays that described probabilities. Just 2 years later, in 1927, he articulated his most famous contribution, the uncertainty principle. It posited that it is impossible to simultaneously know with perfect accuracy both the position and the momentum of a particle. The more precisely one is known, the less precisely the other can be determined. This wasn't a limitation of measurement tools. It was a fundamental property of nature itself. For these revolutionary insights, Werner Heisenberg was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1932, cementing his place as a pioneer of the quantum age. As political storm clouds gathered over Europe, Heisenberg faced a profound moral dilemma. With the outbreak of World War II, he made the controversial decision to remain in Germany. He became a leading figure in the Uranium, the German nuclear weapons project. The exact nature of his role and his intentions remain a subject of intense historical debate. Was he actively trying to build an atomic bomb for the Nazi regime, or was he, as he later claimed, subtly sabotaging the effort from within? Visuals from this era are somber, reflecting a brilliant mind entangled in the darkest chapter of the 20th century. His clandestine meeting with his mentor Niels Bohr in 1941, shrouded in ambiguity, symbolizes the immense pressure and the ethical crossroads he faced. After the war, Heisenberg was briefly interned in England with other German scientists. Upon his return, he dedicated himself to rebuilding German science, becoming the director of the Max Planck Institute for Physics. He advocated for peaceful nuclear energy and spoke out against the proliferation of atomic weapons, reflecting on the immense responsibility that comes with scientific discovery. His work laid the groundwork for countless technological advancements, from semiconductors to quantum computing. Werner Heisenberg's life was a tapestry of breathtaking intellectual achievement and deep moral complexity, a testament to the power of a single mind to reshape our understanding of everything. He left us with a universe more mysterious and fascinating than we had ever imagined, a legacy etched not in stone, but in the very fabric of probability that governs our existence.